Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming today's Indian Premier League match time and which official broadcaster or streaming app carries it. Once done, sign into that service on the device you'll use and verify your subscription or TV package. This avoids midstream paywalls. Make sure your connection meets at least 5 megabits per second. If possible, plug an Ethernet cable for stability. Now open the app or website, search the match name, and prepare playback controls so you can jump straight into live action. Once you've located the live feed, tap play and choose your commentary language and video quality. Pick higher quality if your network is strong. If you prefer a big screen, cast or connect via HDMI. This reduces device constraints. Make sure to close streaming apps and downloads on other devices to free bandwidth. If you see buffering, lower quality to 720 or 480, switch to Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, and restart the stream. This keeps action continuous and audio in sync. To finish, turn on match notifications and enable DVR or highlight recording if the service offers it so you can watch key moments again. Check audio sync quickly. If commentary lags, toggle low latency mode or switch to wired headphones to correct timing. Make sure your payment and account settings are secure so access won't be interrupted. If the stream drops, first reload the app and reconnect your network. If that fails, switch to an alternate official broadcaster or the radio commentary to stay with the match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.